Gooey giant s'mores cookies. Just look at these, so gooey. You will need 135 grams of soft butter, 90 grams of muscovado sugar, 50 grams of granulated sugar. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg. $240 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt, 100 grams of chocolate chips, okay, then get a baking tray and line it with baking parchment and place a biscuit for the base. I used malted milk biscuits, but you can use any biscuit of your choice. Then place a giant marshmallow onto each biscuit. And then 2 squares of milk chocolate onto each marshmallow. Then get your cookie dough, spread it into your hands and then place it over the marshmallow. Make sure everything's sealed and that there's no holes poking through. I refrigerated my cookie dough just because it was a very hot day and it definitely needed firming up. I refrigerated this dough for about half an hour. Then you'll want to bake these for about 12 to 13 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once out of the oven, allow them to cool. They don't need to cool completely before you drizzle with melted chocolate. These are actually the tastiest cookies I've made to date. They are crunchy and chewy and just absolutely delicious. Please like and subscribe for more recipes. Look at that, absolutely perfect. So gooey and chocolatey.